The product of the tangents of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of their tangents. We are asked to prove this. To do this, we need some preliminary information. Let's look at that first. First, here's this. There is a relationship between angles that add up to 180 degrees. The tangent of one is equal to the negative of the tangent of the other. Another piece of preliminary information we need is the sum formula for tangent. You can find the proof of this sum formula on my channel. Now we can move on to our proof. The first thing I'll do is extend the base of this triangle. Since the sum of two interior angles of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle that is not adjacent to them, I can write a plus b here. Now I'm going to use my first piece of preliminary information. That is, the tangent of C is equal to the negative of the tangent of a plus b. Now I'm using my other piece of preliminary information. In other words, the sum formula for tangent. If tangent a plus b is equal to the expression you see here, then to get minus tangent a plus b, I will multiply both sides of the equation by -1. This part becomes minus tangent a plus b. Now, it's enough to multiply either the numerator or the denominator here. Here, I chose to multiply the denominator and arrived at this expression. Now, since minus tangent a plus b is equal to tangent c, I can write tangent c in place of this expression. After writing this, I move the denominator to the other side of the equation as a multiplication. In other words, I will distribute this tangent c over the expression here as multiplication. Now I move minus tangent c to the other side of the equation as a plus. We're almost there. All I have to do is use the commutative property of multiplication to get the expression from the beginning of the video. So all I need to do is put these in order, and with that we've completed our proof.